And I'm like, and I don't have enough prepared to say this stream. I'm so sorry. I let the chat down. Sometimes when I remember to, Viking. Or if they look really weird. I usually forget to, though. There. Now the butts are gone. All better. Ah, yeah, no, I don't typically have that issue. I want to make something really garlicky, like maybe a garlic and sun-dried tomato. What do you call it? Compound butter, or maybe a garlic confit. That sounds good too. I think Vampire Kitten has made garlic confit before. Confit. Confit? Confit. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look up how to pronounce that later. Missed. There we go. Oh, so I splashed myself with water. This is why you're supposed to wear an apron while you're cooking. Yeet. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, da, 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 da. Okie dokie. After we get the soy sauce and the mirin together, and let's see, okay. Soy sauce, mirin, and chile. Okay, cool. Just making sure I got these in the right order, because some of these ingredients are going to be sharing some lodgings in a minute, because I don't feel like getting more than